Walking tours in Sofia Bulgaria. City centre shopping. As we left our apartment, the first stop was the Cathedral of St. Joseph, a Roman Catholic church ordained in 2006. We then walk along Pirotska Street, the oldest pedestrian shopping street in Sofia. As we take the underpass into the Serdika subway station, we start to see some ancient Roman ruins. It's not long until we enter the ancient archaeological site of Serdika. This is a massive site full of ancient Roman ruins from the 6th and the 5th century AD. As we get to the other end of the Serdika ruins, we climb up a set of stairs and get to the TSUM department store. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. This place is the biggest department store in Sofia, and it's almost deserted. They say that rent prices are a little bit too high, and there's hardly any shops here. Finally, we get to the best shopping street in all of Sofia, Vitosha Boulevard. This place is lined with heaps of great shopping options, loads of al fresco restaurants, and some great souvenir stores. You could quite easily spend a day just strolling up and down Vitosha Boulevard. let you go without seeing our super scary elevator in our apartment block in Sofia. It's probably quite normal for these parts, but it's a bit scary for us. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of the shopping areas of Sofia. If so, why not subscribe to see more great videos and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your feedback.